Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix blue screen of death on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select system, on right side select recovery. Next to advanced startup, select the restart now option and select restart now. Now you will get to this page. Select this troubleshoot option and select the advanced options. Select the startup repair option, and this will diagnose your PC and help you fix blue screen error. This method doesn't fix your problem. Method 2, you just need to select troubleshoot advanced options, select system restore, and select next. Select the last restore point you create and select next and continue this process. This will roll back to an earlier working state, and this should fix your problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.